This course will focus on 4 key areas that you need to optimize correctly in order to succeed in local SEO. Your website is at the heart of your local SEO efforts. We will learn how to optimize a website for local search. Our focus will be on on-site SEO, and in this section I'll provide you with some important tips and tricks to help you optimize your site in order to outperform the competition. Your Google My Business. Along with your website, your Google My Business listing is the other essential asset that we must optimize correctly for local success. The Google My Business listing is what appears in both the local pack and Google Maps results. So getting it right is a massive factor in our overall success. Off-site SEO. Off-site SEO is the important work we undertake to boost our website and Google My Business listing in the search results. The off-site SEO work that we do is going to rank our website in the organic search results and our Google My Business listing in the local pack results. We will be focusing on how local citations, along with authority backlinks, affect this in the off-site SEO section of the course. Technical SEO. In this chapter, we will show you how to instantly make your website stand out ahead of 95% of your competitors. You'll learn about Schema Markup and why it's important for your local business. Optimizing our website, optimizing our Google My Business listing, off-site SEO such as link building efforts, it's all one big interlinked process that we need to optimize correctly for success in local SEO. Now we know the factors that are important for ranking a local business, we can start to plan how to optimize our website. But we shouldn't just jump straight into that. We need a plan. We need a clear focus, and a plan comes from keyword research. We need to learn about the importance of local keywords. These keywords will become the foundation for the work we do on our website. We're going to optimize all the pages on our website for different groups of keywords. So we need to do the right research to find these terms. In the next lesson, we're going to look at how to find and choose local keywords so that we can optimize all of our website the right way.